Are you running a faceless YouTube channel and struggling to get noticed? Let's dive into some essential SEO tips and algorithm hacks to boost your visibility and grow your audience. First, focus on keyword optimization. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords for your niche. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Next, create engaging thumbnails and compelling titles to increase click-through rates. Thumbnails should be eye-catching and relevant to your content, while titles should be clear and engaging. Don't forget to add closed captions to your videos. Captions can improve your video's accessibility and help YouTube understand your content better, leading to higher rankings. Engage with your audience through comments and community posts. This interaction signals to YouTube that your channel is active and valued by viewers. Lastly, maintain a consistent upload schedule. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and signal to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is reliable. Follow these tips and watch your faceless YouTube channel soar to new heights.